English sentences for daily use. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Put this book back on the shelf. The bank is opposite the supermarket. You can use the upstairs bathroom. See you soon. See you later. See you tomorrow. All the best. Have a good time. You have got beautiful eyes. The bus was late because of the traffic jam. I couldn't go out because of the rain. What time do you go to bed? Knock on the door before you enter the room. I have seen him somewhere before. I'll start again from the beginning. This bicycle belongs to my brother. Better late than never. What's your biggest fear? Don't be lazy to think. Use your brain.